In today's video, I'm going to teach you the art of using HubSpot for lead generation, specifically crafted for 2025. With strategic steps and AI-enhanced workflows, we'll explore how to effectively attract, convert, and nurture leads. Let's dive right in. To begin with, attracting attention is key, and HubSpot offers an excellent suite of tools to do just that. Utilizing HubSpot's SEO capabilities, you can ensure your website is optimized and visible to the right audience. Combine this with HubSpot's blogging platform, which allows you to post engaging content regularly, and you're well on your way to drawing in the traffic you need. Social media is another vital component, and HubSpot conveniently allows you to schedule posts, or if you prefer to broaden your reach, you can integrate LinkedIn, Google, and Facebook ads. By driving relevant traffic to your site, you're laying a solid foundation for successful lead generation. Once you've captured your audience's attention, it's time to capture their information. HubSpot's drag-and-drop builder enables you to create embedded forms, standalone forms, or pop-up forms effortlessly, harnessing progressive profiling technology. Keeping your forms simple, with no more than 3 to 5 fields, is crucial for maximizing conversion rates. But don't stop there. Create landing pages specifically optimized for conversion and run A/B tests on different headlines, CTAs, and visual elements to find out what resonates best with your audience. Engagement doesn't end with forms. HubSpot offers tools like live chat and chatbots to encourage real-time interaction with visitors on your site, guiding them to either appropriate content or scheduling meetings. To make seamless scheduling a reality, take advantage of HubSpot's meeting links, allowing prospects to book time with your team at their convenience. After attraction and capture, nurturing leads becomes vital. HubSpot allows you to automate lead nurturing through workflows that can send personalized emails, assign tasks, update contact lifecycle stages, or trigger internal alerts. To ensure you're focusing efforts where most needed, implement lead scoring to assess and prioritize outreach based on specific behaviors such as downloads, video watches, or form views. Segmentation becomes essential as you begin to score and qualify your leads. Dynamic lists in HubSpot let you group contacts by industry, behavior, life cycle stages, and more. Automatically qualify your MQLs and SQLs using workflows triggered by forms, site visits, or lead score thresholds to enhance efficiency. But effective lead generation doesn't stop at implementation. Tracking and optimizing your strategies are imperative. Using HubSpot campaigns, you can group various assets like forms, emails, and pages, and measure their ROI along with conversion paths, creating a comprehensive view of your efforts. Conduct A/B tests on everything from forms to CTAs, and ensure consistent monitoring using dashboards that filter by source, campaign, content, and automation processes. Finally, spice up your lead generation with AI enhancements and integrations. HubSpot's AI tools offer content suggestions, predictive lead scoring, and enrichment processes, prioritizing high-intent leads. Integrate with productivity tools like Apollo, Warp Leads, and Clay, which assist in sourcing high-quality leads and ensure seamless synchronization into HubSpot. Through these strategies, HubSpot becomes an indispensable partner in your journey to effective and modern lead generation.